What happens when colors decide to move on its own? Let's find out. Welcome back to the Art of Yayomi. On this 10 by 20-inch canvas, I poured 3 red puddle pours in the colors of primary red, then placed puddles of black, white, and gold across the surface. Instead of using a brush or a blow dryer, I rolled a marble through the paint, letting movement create its own story. I first poured 3 red puddles evenly across the canvas, then placed puddles of gold, black, and white in random areas. In fluid art, color density and direction shapes the entire composition. Red creates energy, black adds structure, white brings light, and gold elevates everything with warmth and reflection. When I pour, I try not to overthink it. I just go with the flow and let painting tell its own story. The base is red, the puddles are black, white, and gold, but the real magic happens when I drop the marble and let it move. I don't force it or even plan every turn. I just watch how the colors react. I added the gold because gold looks stunning next to dark colors or deep reds and blues, where it catches light and adds dimension. Once the patterns appeared, I slowly tilt the canvas to stretch and shape the design, letting the composition find its balance before setting it down to dry. Sometimes art isn't about control, it's about trusting the flow, watching how one small action creates endless possibilities. I've always loved how red feels so strong. It commands attention, but in this piece, it's the white that surprised me most. Against the red, it doesn't fade, it glows. It's like light breaking through energy. I really enjoyed working on this painting. It felt calm, effortless, and full of movement. The combination just worked in a way that feels natural and balanced. Watching the paint flow and the marble create its own path was so satisfying, like the piece was painting itself. I think this might be one of my favorite pours so far. Everything about it just came together beautifully. And here it is, a fusion of strength and shimmer, where red ignites, black defines, white lifts, and gold glows. Every curve tells the story of movement becoming art. And if this piece inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, stay creative and keep painting.